at the library today.
Imagine your story at the library today.
Welcome to Virtual Dragon Training, part of the High Plains Library District 2020 Summer Reading Adventure. My name is Liz from the Centennial Park Library. Attention! All dragon activity for this video was monitored by Claude, the coalition of loyal advocates for the welfare and esteem of dragons. No dragons were injured during the making of this video. Thank you.
Get your Viking helmets and your flame-proof boots on, people, because in this enchanted forest, it's a beautiful day for dragon training.
Before setting up your challenge course, it's a good idea to check the ground carefully for any loose objects that could pose a slipping or tripping hazard.
Hi, and welcome to Dragon Training 101, part of the High Plains Library District 2020 Summer Reading Adventure. My name is Liz, and I work for the Centennial Park Library. And today, I am going to show you how to take ordinary household objects and transform them into a backyard challenge course. A veritable dragon's hoard of easy to construct activities that you can mix and match to test your skills and mold you into an amazing dragon trainer. The dragons are waiting. Are you up for the challenge? Let's go. Our first challenge is called Crossing the Bridge to the Dragon's Lair. Sometimes to get to your dragon, you have to cross a yawning chasm that is spanned only by a tightrope. No rope at home? Set down a board, make a line of tape, or draw it with sidewalk chalk on a sidewalk. To cross this chasm, as you can see, I've got my rope in front of me. You are going to pretend you are on a tightrope and put one foot in front of the other. Success! All right, are you ready for the next challenge? It is called Don't Step on the Baby Dragons. Now, I have some dragons here. If you don't have toy dragons at home, no problem. Use whatever stuffed animals you have. Use rocks, use cereal boxes. You can do this a couple different ways. You can choose to jump over the dragons. You can zigzag around them. No baby dragons were squished during the making of this video. Great job. All right, our next challenge, a very popular one, fun one, easy to do. The ground is lava. So I'm just gonna step right over here. Maybe you can see these little tape marks that I have put in the grass. The idea? Those tape marks are the safe spaces. Everything else around them is lava. You have to get to the end by stepping only on those tape spaces. And make sure you post where you want the start and where you want the finish to be. All right, our next activity is over there. To make your course more challenging, you can set rules where you have to move to the next challenge in a different way each time. For example, giant steps, or skipping, walking backwards. All right, this challenge is called Your Dragon is Hungry. You need a container of some kind. I have a laundry basket. That is your dragon's mouth. You need something to feed your dragon. Maybe you have Nerf balls at home. Maybe you want to crumple tennis or crumple newspaper into balls. I brought some socks, some folded socks. One thing, if you're going to use socks to do this, please make sure you use clean socks. No dragon wants to eat dirty socks. Yuck and ew. So you stand back and you just see how many food items. Whoops, you may need to put a rock or something in your basket to weigh it down. We're dealing with a very windy day here at Centennial Park while we're filming this. Oh, I missed one. I missed another one. You'll do so much better than I did. So maybe you've heard of the book Dragons Love Tacos and Dragons Love Tacos the sequel. Well, it turns out that dragons also love cheese sticks and Twizzlers. Now this is another target type of game. I've hung a hula hoop over a tree branch and I've got a pool noodle. If you don't have a hula hoop, you could always just kind of tie a loop of rope down under a tree branch or like a swing set bar or something in your yard. No pool noodle. Try rolling up sheets of newspaper long way and taping them or putting rubber bands on them to make them stay. So this is a really windy day. We'll see if I can get this Twizzler through the dragon's mouth. Defeat. Keep trying. Not yet. All right, I've got a good feeling about this one. Nope. We'll try it one more time. If I can't get it this time, we'll move to the next activity. Oh, call that half a point. There we go. The dragon got to eat its Twizzler or cheese stick, whichever you prefer. Come on, let's go to the next activity. Oh, giant steps. All right. If you have seen the movie How to Train Your Dragon, you recall that Toothless the dragon is a very good artist, and he does not appreciate it when Hiccup almost steps on his drawing. So with a bunch of string, I have created a dragon drawing on the ground. The challenge here, get through it without stepping on the lines. All right. Next activity. Now this one is actually a lot more challenging than it sounds. I call this one Don't Wake the Sleeping Dragon. Got a regular bath towel on the ground. I'm going to fold up my notes here and put them in my pocket for a moment. So this towel is the dragon's blanket. I'm going to stand on the dragon's blanket. Now the challenge to not wake the sleeping dragon is that I have to turn this blanket completely over without stepping onto the grass. Like I said, it's a lot more challenging than it sounds. All right, that wasn't too tough. For a greater challenge, try using a smaller towel, or if you have siblings, get a couple kids on one bath towel. That is a great teamwork exercise, getting them to turn that towel completely over without stepping off of it. All right, let's go to our next dragon challenge. This challenge is called Your Dragon is Thirsty. Dragons need to stay hydrated. When you spend a lot of time breathing fire, it can make your throat and air passages very dry. So dragons need to stay hydrated and drink a lot of water. So I have a squirt toy that's filled with water. I have a target made from a coffee filter on the fence over there, and you can see I've drawn a bullseye on it with some magic markers. If you don't have coffee filters, you can try paper towels and just draw a target on there. You don't have to draw a target on there, but it's more fun when the water gets it. If there is a target, you can see it kind of bleeds the colors a little bit. No squirt toy. Try water balloons, try sponges that have been soaked in water. Yeah, just anything that will send some water that way. So let's see if I can get the target. Oops, all the water came out. Sorry, folks. Let's refill that. Victorious, you can see how the color has kind of soaked through the water or the coffee filter. That's how I know I hit my target. So there were a couple more activities I wanted to show you that I wasn't able to set up out here. I will add them onto the video. So I just wanted to mention that you can make your Dragon Challenge course at least 10 times more fun with the addition of a water sprinkler somewhere along the course. You can make your challenge 10 times more difficult by making part of the instructions that you have to carry the dragon egg to safety on a spoon through the entirety of the course. Another way to add a little more challenge, another way to add more fun to the course that you make up on your own.
Here are a couple more activities you may want to include in your Dragon Training Challenge course. Tunnel to the Dragon's Lair. Here I've made a tunnel to crawl through or to crawl under, just using a sheet, 2 folding canvas camping chairs with the sheet draped over the top, and something heavy in the seat of each chair. You can also make a longer tunnel by tying a rope between 2 stationary objects, such as trees, in your backyard or the edge of a swing set, draping the sheet over the top of the rope and weighing the sides down with rocks or another heavy object. Lastly, going back to those folding canvas camping chairs, you can set a yardstick across the top of those to make another object to crawl under.
So thank you for visiting my Dragon Training Challenge course today. Keep reading this summer, keep positive. Please visit the Dragon Escape Room that goes with this Dragon Training program. And please check out the fantastic summer reading programs that my friends all across the library district are putting together this summer. I hope I will see you in the library again soon. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Long live dragons.